Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
Build a bridge that is connecting Ndalama, TA and the Tikapiti. Mr. Speaker, sir, the 5 billion is there for everyone. We are there to help our communities realize their dreams. So it is not only the work of MPs, it is the work of the constituency to make sure that the developments being brought in our constituencies have proper supervision so that there can be well developments. Mr. Speaker, sir, let me thank Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika and the DPP government for harvesting the youth. Our friends, like in China, in South Africa, in Kuwait, have utilized cheap labor and they're able to develop. And I believe the developments that our friends like in China have seen through cheap labor, we're also going to utilize them right here in Malawi. With these few remarks, Mr. Speaker, sir, I thank the DPP government for being there for Malawians when we have been infringed by poverty, by the past regime. Mr. Speaker, sir, we humbly adopt the budget. Thank you.
Thank you, Cholo Kunjeni Mangunda. We now go to Cholo Tekeran.
Thank you so much, Right Honorable Speaker, for allowing the people of Cholo Tekerani to make a comment on the budget that was presented by the able Minister of Finance, Honorable Joseph Mwanamveka. The people of Cholo Tekerani, Right Honorable Speaker, are thanking the Minister and congratulating him for a very good budget that is responding to Malawians' needs, that is responding to Malawian aspirations. So the people are really grateful because looking at the budget, you may see that it is now speaking what His Excellency Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika, our president, our dear president, delivered in his SONA. So you can see that the budget and the SONA has one language. That is what we need as Malawi. Right Honorable Speaker, sir, talking of the economy, I will not dwell much on that one, but we can see the outcomes of what DPP government has already started. It was just 2 days ago when we were reading what the Reserve Bank has said, that the inflation is going down, and up to now is around 24.1, which is a very good indication that our economy has started very well. We need to appreciate that. And I believe at this point, we should not downplay with the budget, because others were saying, no, the minister should resign, the minister should be, looked at this and that. No, that was jealousy. Looking at what has happened within 6 months, everyone should appreciate that we are now moving to a very good direction. So we are happy with that. Another indicator, Right Honorable Speaker, sir, is the stability of the prices to our basic needs. You can agree with me, Right Honorable Speaker, sir, that our basic needs, the prices of our basic needs are stable. In the past regime, you could see even salt, milk, cooking oils, sugar, name them, going up daily. But daily or weekly. But with this government, you may see that these basic needs that Malawians use daily are stable. That's what we need, and that's what Cholo, Tegeran people want. So we really thank this government, we really thank the minister for making sure that the prices are stable. I saw the Minister of Finance when he was addressing a certain group. He's a very serious man. When he comes to address issues, he's very serious and he's not joking. So we are very grateful for that. And even at this period, a very difficult period, if it could be, but it will not come again, but if it could be that previous regime, you could be hearing about, no, you can see this because of the war of US, Israel, Iraq. But you could see this government is stable, doing what it can to make sure that things are very stable. So we really appreciate that. Another indicator is about the fuel. You cannot see queues in our filling station. Though fuel comes from where war is. So, Right Honorable Speaker, sir, we really appreciate on that one. Another thing that Malawians should applaud this government is this money that has come to our pensioners. The 296 billion that has been allocated to pension and gratuities, so that maybe the accumulations of the money to our pensioners should be cleared off. So we are really grateful that our retired civil servants will start receiving their dues in large numbers. So we are happy with that. Going to agriculture, Right Honorable Speaker, sir, we have seen how this government has performed in the provision of farm input subsidy, fertilizer. In 3 months' time, it has done so nicely. You haven't heard the ministry going to pharmacies, going to butcheries, buying fertilizers. No, you haven't heard anything bad about that. But majority of beneficiaries have redeemed their fertilizers. About 90 to 95% of beneficiaries have benefited from this program. So this is very grateful, and we are very thankful to the President and even to the able Minister of Agriculture. He has done it so nicely. The distribution of relief food to people who had no enough food during this very difficult period. The minister has done so well, and the people of Cholo Tegera and Right Honorable Speaker, sir, are really grateful to the government, because this week people of TA Tuguta have received relief maize, relief food. That was on Tuesday. On Wednesday, people of Senior Chief in Sabwe have also received. On Thursday, that was yesterday, the people of TA Mbawera were receiving relief food. This is a very recommendable work by the Minister of Agriculture. But may I ask the Minister of Agriculture to consider assisting the tea smallholder farmers in my constituency. They are struggling to sell their plucked tea leaves. They can pluck the leaves today, but it takes about 3 to 4 days without the off-takers to come and buy their leaves. So they are losing a lot of money. Do the Minister of Agriculture come in and support? The off-takers are Steko and Makwasa Tea Estate. So may they be coming in agreed time to correct the leaves. And when they correct the leaves, they should be paid on time, because they are supposed to be paid every month end. But sometimes it takes about 3 to 4 months without being paid. So the minister should help the smallholder farmers of tea in my constituency. Another point I wanted to raise, Right Honorable Speaker, sir, as a representative of people of Choro Tegeran, I'm also a representative of people of Choro district and even people of this great nation. Right Honorable Speaker, may I represent the people of Choro district at this point in time. My submission on this matter is going to the Minister or Minister of Lands and Urban Development. Choro, Right Honorable Speaker, sir, is failing to expand because most of urban areas or trading centers are occupied or surrounded by tea plantations. So can the minister do his best by talking to these estates which have got tea plantation very close to the trading centers, like at Choroboma. Choroboma is failing to expand. We are failing to put up commercial structures, business structures, maybe befitting the district, because we are surrounded by tea. Would you please, Minister of Lands and Urban Development, talk to the state owners to give us at least the land which is closer to the main road, so that we can develop, we can put up structures that can change, because we are growing, we are developing. So please consider us at Choroboma, at number 1, the other side of the road. We want that land so that we can build structures, very good structures, that can change the outlook of our area, Choro. Even at Tunga, please consider the other side of Tunga Trading Center. We need to develop that area. Even at Makwasa, the other side of Makwasa, where there is tea plantations and the trees, please consider us by making sure that these areas are given to us so that we can develop those areas. So, right, Honorable Minister of Lands, please talk to Conforce. Please talk to Namingomba. Please talk to Satemwa. Please talk to Makwasa Tea Estates. Please talk to Eastern Produce Limited to give us. The land is not huge enough, but we need the land to develop. We need the land to construct our modern markets so that the area should be very, very productive. Right Honorable Speaker, sir, on transport, let me say Cholo, Makwasa, Tegerani, Makanga Road. The road, I said, is not fully completed. There are some sections which were not finished. May I ask Minister of Transport to look into those sections, especially sections in my constituency. The road, the waterways were not finished, the road enforcements were not completed, and even there is a very dangerous gully at 47 miles. And if we delay without stopping it, it will cut the road. So may the minister, the able Minister of Transport, who is also the leader of this house, help us, the people of Choro Tegeran. Our road is okay. We are very thankful to the President, Professor Thapita Mundali. He is the one who has constructed that particular road. But when the past regime came in, they just stopped the contractor when the road was coming to an end. So can the Minister of Transport look into that one? Because the contract wasn't stopped very well. There were some political elements in that. So do you please come and assist us? And even connecting us from where the road is stopped to Bangura as it was proposed. It's just from Ruo Bridge, Makanga, Bangura. See, it's just about 20 kilometers. The road was planned to reach Bangura, but it was stopped at Ruo Bridge. Can the minister come in and look into that one? As you are doing with the road of Tabwa, east side of my elder brother, Deputy Minister of Education. So we'll be very grateful if these areas are finished, Right Honorable Speaker, sir. May I also come to the issue of energy and mining? We are very grateful that the areas which were ordered to be stopped by the last regime, the Malawi Congress Party government, they stopped us on Marepu 9. We are very happy. At this point in time, Right Honorable Speaker, I'm humbly reporting to you that the Marepu 9 has come and they are doing the work which was stopped. We are very grateful on that one. They are now connecting Tegerani Trading Center, Tegerani Mission, to Tegerani Side via Mwavi, Nkata Ombere, and Jason. They are doing right now. We are very grateful on that one. But may I also ask the minister to visit Zoa Falls, where the other Minister of Energy visited that one. It's a very potential site for generating electricity. Our friends from Mozambique started doing that. So when they were noted that they were crossing to Malawi side, they were stopped and agreed to be a joint venture. But up to now, we don't see anything progressing. So can I ask the minister to go and see and look at the way forward? Lastly, as I'm concluding, Right Honorable Speaker, sir, we were given a project of water supply at the Tegerani Trading Center. But the feasibility took place. Officials from Ministry of Water came and did their part. But up to now, nothing has happened. May I ask the Minister of Water to come and continue the work of supplying piped water at the Tegerani Trading Center and the village surrounding. In my conclusion, Right Honorable Speaker, sir, thank you so much for giving this opportunity to people of Tegeran. The people of Tegeran are very grateful to the President for what he is doing. We are really happy with that, and the people of Choro Tegerani are supporting the budget. Thank you so much, Right Honorable Speaker.
Thank you so much, Cholo Tegerani. Honourable members, it's 10:54. I now will continue after the health break. I now suspend the House to 11:25. House suspended.
Osaiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.